Good morning, Ram. How are you settling into the school?
Good morning, Miss Johnson. I'm doing my best to adjust. It's been a bit overwhelming, but I think I'm getting the hang of things.
That's great to hear, Ram. If you ever have any questions or need help, please don't hesitate to ask. We're here to support you.
Thank you, Miss Johnson. Everyone has been really friendly, which has made it easier.
I'm glad to hear that. How are you finding the subjects and classes so far?
The subjects are interesting, and the teachers are nice. I do miss my old school and friends, though.
It's completely natural to miss your old school and friends, Ram. But remember, you have the opportunity to make new friends and create new experiences here as well. Give it some time, and I'm sure you'll build some wonderful memories.
I'll try, Miss Johnson. I've already made a few friends, and they've been really supportive.
That's wonderful, Ram. Friends can make a big difference in helping you adjust to a new environment. Keep getting involved in class activities and clubs, and you'll continue to make connections.
I will, Miss Johnson. Also, I heard about the upcoming science fair. Can you tell me more about it?
Certainly, Ram. The science fair is an exciting opportunity for students to explore scientific concepts and present their findings. You can work on a project individually or in a group. It's a great chance to learn and showcase your interests in science.
That sounds interesting. I'd like to participate. Do you have any project ideas?
You're very welcome, Ram. I look forward to working with you throughout the school year. If there's anything else you'd like to discuss or if you ever need advice, feel free to come to me anytime.
I will, Miss Johnson. Thank you for being so understanding. This conversation between Ram and his teacher reflects the support and guidance provided by educators to help students like Ram adjust to a new school environment. It also highlights the importance of communication and building a positive teacher-student relationship.